So let's see about this one is the pork. The pork. And this one is the pork. So in here, we are doing the pork, the cleaning video. So we will see about this video in firstly. Okay, maybe they converted that a little bit difficult to run this way. Okay? Okay, so about this cooker and about this cooker, we could use about, you can say, this cooker is just like the heart of our human, and this pot, the useful life is the pot useful life. This is the pot. We call pot or cooker. K-E-R. The useful life. The useful life we are thinking about 3,500 to 4,000 hours. And if your business is good or better, maybe the maximum we could use about 3,000 hours maximum. Or you need to change it. Maybe in almost in 1 year. Yeah, almost 1 year. Why? Because this one is for the wastage. Because it's the machine and this is the cooker. They are running every day, just like the heart. They are running every day. So maybe the function will be turned worse and worse. But this one we tested at least 4,500. But what we are expecting to do is to use 3,000. Why? Because your business is good. So all this pot is in all this cooker may be in fully capacity. So I'm sorry that we don't. Maybe this video got something problem. So if you still if you wanted to see about this video, we could send to you in one by one. So focusing on the store to the about the penny cutter machine. So because right now we are doing the promotion. And this one, and this is the cleaning maintenance for the pot. So in the last step, and in the other hand is that, okay. And so the next step, okay, we will stay about is very faster, right? Okay, very faster. Because the last step, we are talking about the clean and maintenance. And you can see about the maintenance because the video, there's some stuck in here. So maybe we can let me to talk about the next one. Okay, our fixing to fix it. And the next one. So this part we will leave it, and maybe we will talk about in the near future. Or you can send an inquiry to talking about all the machine inquiry and asking about all the promotion. And does there any more discount for you, or you can send us more about your details to put where are you going to put, and what is the purpose to using about this machine, And in the other hand is that what?
如果冇就有嘅，我講埋一個。
Yeah. So